Hi trader, this is Chris from Elite Currency. Today I wanted to talk about SWAT trading. Basically, SWAT is all about pattern trading and market structure, not only wave patterns or wave analysis. It is more deeper than that. It really looks at the bigger picture and tries to understand how to analyze that and where to trade it. It's all about recognizing the patterns, seeing it repeat, and then knowing how to trade it. That's what SWAT is all about, and it tries to simplify that process by our technique and our method. And I'm going to show you a little bit about that in live charts right now. Let's give you a better look on what we see basically when we look at the markets. SWAT basically indicating the larger structures going on, and we use a couple of methods. We use the oscillator, we use moving averages, and we use patterns to dissect the chart and understand what's going on. So when we see, for instance, the Kiwi dollar, New Zealand dollar falling here and making a correction back to those moving averages, we know that that is most likely a corrective pattern, and this is something we discussed live pre-fact, saying that this pattern should break and therefore after that fall, and that's what we've had with the Kiwi. A lot of Kiwi weakness, and we've been trading that actually through ECS Live as well, end of last week and the beginning of this week. And boy, did that happen. We saw Kiwi the dollar fall. We were in the Kiwi yen as well, and the Kiwi yen is the one that gave us the most, to be honest, profit in pips. And basically, you see here with a beautiful breakout that has been falling some 130 pips or more. Kiwi yen, maybe 150, I believe. And it's all very simple when you use the SWAT system and SWAT software. In fact, look at this. The SWAT software indicating where the breakout is simply with the red arrow here and red candles. Of course, it does require some analysis first. It is not just a simple entry and exit system. It does require some review of the market, which is why we have also partly ES Live to help you with that. But basically, the SWAT software is all you need to understand. Eventually, you'll get to recognize these patterns and you'll see them occur more often. And you'll see them everywhere. In fact, look at the Euro New Zealand. Now, the New Zealand dollar, if you thought that was a lot with 140 pips, look at this one move up. Basically, just a rocket. And what did the SWAT software show? Entry right here, back on the 10th of November. And boy, it's been going up ever since and moving up a whopping 560 pips. And that is just amazing. If you look at the 1 hour chart, there we go. Multiple entries here, here, and was recently even here. All right. So this is one example. Euro odd 2. We go back. You can see beautiful trends here on the Euro odd and beautiful entries. This is one we took as well and nicely made profit on this Euro odd trade to the upside. And the end of last week where we were trading it, I believe, here, if I remember correctly, or here, this one. So anyhow, there were multiple ones here, here, and here are all potential entries. And then recently, this week, we traded the Euro odd here too for that continuation to the upside. So that was great trading with the Euro to the upside. But it's not only the Euro, of course. There have been other trends as well with regard to the yen, the Aussie. Here you go. You can see Aussie also falling nicely after this bear flag was broken, and the template, the software makes everything much easier to see for traders, and we use this to analyze the chart, and then we use it as well to trade. So the software kind of does both functions in one. All right, so that's a quick review of some of these setups that occurred throughout this week. Really some great trends going on. We caught a few of them, not all of them, but a few is enough to still make some profit, and you can see how that looks like with regard to using the SWAT software. Very intuitive. Yes, you do have to do the analysis, of course, but then it makes things so much simpler to see that market structure, to see those patterns unfold. Definitely something that helps every trader, no matter what experience you have. So as you can see, we're very proud of the SWAT software, and if you're interested in more, just check out elitecurrency.com and click on SWAT at the top menu. Thanks for joining. Take a look also at the website for free analysis and material, of course, and wish you all good trading. Cheers.